Today I am here with some new updates about Canada immigration. In today's video, I will discuss the updates about Canada-India flight ban, fully vaccinated travels, post-arrival testing, the hotel quarantine program, airports open for international flights, non-essential travels, and parents and grandparents PR application for 2021. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Charisma. Hope you all doing great and staying safe. If you are new here, I provide information and free advice about Canadian immigration and help people to apply for Canada PR, which can save them a lot of money. Without a further delay, let's start today's video. Let's start with Canada-India flight ban. Canada has extended the ban on flights from India until August 21, 2021. The restrictions are rolled over for one more month until August 21st, but still people can travel via the third country. Any passengers who travel to Canada from India by an indirect route will be needed to obtain a pre-departure negative COVID-19 result from a third country before continuing their journey to Canada. If you test positive, you may be quarantined there and sent back to your point of departure. All travelers must use the ArriveCAN app or website to submit the travel and contact information, vaccination information, pre-test result, a 14-day quarantine plan, and a COVID-19 symptom self-assessment. Next is travel restrictions for fully vaccinated travelers. Canada will reopen to fully vaccinated US citizens and permanent residents next month. Starting August 9, 2021, Canada plans to begin permitting entry to American citizens and permanent residents who are currently residing in United States. The travel requirements for them is they have been fully vaccinated at least 14 days before entering Canada. They are also required to provide proof of a negative COVID-19 test result taken within 72 hours of pre-arrival. All travelers must use the ArriveCAN app or website to submit the vaccination information, test result, travel and contact information. Children under the age of 12 or who are not yet eligible for vaccination in the US or unvaccinated dependent children will be allowed to enter the country with a fully vaccinated parents, step-parents, tutor or guardians who is eligible to enter to Canada. To be considered as a fully vaccinated, you must have received the full series of an accepted COVID-19 vaccine, means 2 doses of accepted COVID-19 vaccine or a combination of accepted vaccines. The accepted vaccines are Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, which is also called a Covishield, Janssen, means Johnson & Johnson. You must have received your last dose at least 14 days prior to the day you enter in Canada. Next update is about post-arrival testing. Effective August 9, 2021, the Government of Canada is adjusting its post-arrival testing strategy for fully vaccinated travelers. Fully vaccinated travelers will not need a post-arrival test unless they have been randomly selected to complete a day 1 COVID-19 test. There are no changes to the mandatory testing requirements for unvaccinated travelers. They will continue to be subjected to mandatory on-arrival and day 8 testing. Next is about the hotel quarantine program. As of August 9, 2021, new measures will be put in place for travelers to Canada, including international students regarding hotel quarantine. Government of Canada eliminating the 3-night government authorized hotel stay requirement for all air travelers arriving after 12 am on August 9, 2021. Until that time, non-vaccinated travelers flying to Canada must complete their 3-night hotel stay while they wait for their on-arrival test result. Next update is about Canadian international airports. 5 additional Canadian airports are set to reopen for international travel next month. Starting August 9, international flights carrying passengers will soon be permitted to land at 9 Canadian airports in total. Currently, Montreal, Toronto Pearson, Calgary International and Vancouver International airports are accepting international flights, but as of August 9, 5 additional airports Halifax, Quebec City, Ottawa, McDonald, Winnipeg, and Edmonton International Airport will be also accepting international flights. Next update is about non-essential travelers. Starting September 7, non-essential travelers will be allowed to enter Canada. On September 7, fully vaccinated and non-essential travelers from other countries around the world will be allowed to enter Canada as long as Canada's COVID-19 situation remains favorable. Travelers must meet the mandatory fully vaccinated requirements. This means you have received the full series of vaccine or a combination of vaccines accepted by Government of Canada, means 2 doses of accepted vaccines, which are Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca. It's also called Covishield, Janssen, means Johnson & Johnson, and received your last dose at least 14 days prior to entry. You need to enter proof of vaccination in ArriveCAN. The list of accepted vaccination may be extended in future. In ArriveCAN, you must provide the proof of vaccination. For that, the detail of your first dose, date, country and vaccination you received, name of vaccination, the details of your second dose if one was required for Pfizer, Moderna and AstraZeneca vaccination, a photo or PDF file of the record of each dose of your vaccination such as receipts, cards or confirmation. If you receive 2 doses and they are both record on a single card or PDF, upload that same image or file for dose 1 and again for dose 2. These documents must be in English, French or a certified translation into English or French from your native language. Bring your original proof of vaccination with you while you travel. You must use ArriveCAN to enter your proof of vaccination, quarantine and travel information. If you do not provide the required information in ArriveCAN before arriving at the border, you won't be considered for the exemptions even if you meet all the other requirements. Next update is about parents and grandparents PR applications for 2021. IRCC will accept up to 30,000 additional applications to apply under the 2021 intake of the program for parents and grandparents permanent residents. Using the same random selection process as used in previous years, IRCC will send invitation to potential sponsors who have already submitted an interest to sponsor form in 2020. Invitation to apply will be sent over the course of 2 weeks starting the week of September 20, 2021. I will upload a detailed video about how to complete and submit the parents and grandparents PR application before you will get the invitation to apply. So stay connected. If you have any question about Canada immigration, please feel free to leave me a comment below. DM me on Instagram, email me on canadiancharisma@yahoo.com. I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. Till then, stay positive, stay safe. Thanks for watching this video.